Hey friends, are you ready to see what's in another Inku by Japan crate? This one is always so adorable. So this is the July edition of Inku by Japan crate. Here we have some masking tape, which has looks like some aquatic animals. There's some fish and things. There's also fireworks. Here we have, I think this is erasers. Yeah, I think it's like a big eraser. There's a smaller eraser in there. So here we have a mini plate. So I'll probably use this to maybe like hold some like earrings or small items. I have things like this sitting around everywhere. Here we have, it looks like some sticky notes that are different animals. Yeah, they're like the little tabs that you can use. There's a fox and a bear and a penguin, maybe a rabbit and a pig. These are super cute. Here we have just a little notepad with the characters. Here we have some Gudetama. These look like just some clips. I'm going to crack these open to get a better look at them. Yeah. So you could clip all kinds of things with this, actually. I mean, you can repurpose these from office supply to hair accessory. Here we have an ink pen. Looks like there's a highlighter on that end. And then a pen on this end. Let me get out this notepad we received. How handy is that? Let's see. All these, right? So that's the pen. And the highlighter. We have a pencil. It's actually pretty neat. So the wood is a rainbow. So here we have, looks like another notepad. Possibly sticky. We're going to find out. Oh, no, it's not a notepad at all. That's what I get for assuming. So these are little stationery things. A little envelope there. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, they're to like put money or like little gifts in. I'll have to save these for people's birthdays. That's super cute. And here we have a bear inside of a watermelon. He looks like he may be another gift type thing. So we'll just fold up and then pop out. So I think these are like name tags for gifts, which is also super cute. So that was July Inku. Thanks for sticking around. If you want to know more about Inku or past items I've received or why I enjoy it so much, please let me know.